Welcome back, viewers. So in today's video we are going to check out about the Pro Audio configuration in EndeavourOS. So in the last video we had installed the Pro Audio uh, package uh, in our EndeavourOS, and now we will check whether the Pro Audio is properly configured on our Endeavour system, and we will check out the real-time status of our system. So what happens is, whenever you install the Pro Audio group or the Pro Audio configuration on your EndeavourOS, the real-time status of your system is configured automatically by the scripts that have been configured by the developers of ArchOS. So to check that, you have to pass this command ulimit space dash n. So it will show you this number 1024. That means the configuration has been done. Further, you can check the complete configuration, that is the complete real-time status of your system, by using this command ulimit space dash a. So a means all. So here you can see real-time non-blocking time. So it is unlimited. It should be like that only. Core file size is unlimited. So file size blocks you can see. So the file size of your audio can increase while the recording is being done. So that recorded file size is unlimited now. It is not limited. So in standard configuration, the file sizes are limited, but here the file size limitation has been removed. Data segmentation size, it is normally limited, but in our Pro Audio setup, it is unlimited. Scheduling priority is changed to 30. File size, that is the file block size, is limited in standard configuration of Linux. So that has been now changed to unlimited. Pending signal numbers is 28750. Maximum lock memory is unlimited. In the standard configuration of Arch or any Linux distribution, it is limited. There are certain kilobytes beyond which the lock memory size cannot increase, but now it is unlimited. Open file size or number of open files is 1024. Pipe size is 8. POSIX message queue size is now, or the message size is 819200 bytes. Real time priority is 90. Stack size is 8129. Sorry, 81 not 8129, 8192. CPU time is unlimited. So CPU can keep on servicing certain application for unlimited time. Maximum user processes is 28750. Virtual memory, normally virtual memory is limited in a standard configuration of Arch or any Linux distribution, but it is unlimited for the system with the Pro Audio configuration. File locks are unlimited. In standard system, it is limited. Here it is unlimited. So we have checked out the complete real-time status of our system. So we had installed the Pro Audio group of packages and the configurations on our EndeavourOS in the last video. And in this video, we have checked out whether those have been applied. So all the packages, we can see that they have been installed during the installation time itself, but the configuration, whether it is correctly done or not, that can only be seen after the installation is complete and you reboot, and you have to issue these two commands ulimit -n, ulimit -a, and you can confirm whether the configuration is properly done or not. If it is not done, you have to completely remove the Pro Audio configuration and reinstall the Pro Audio configuration, or if you are an advanced user, you can go into the configuration files and in the etc folder of your system, and then you can correct those errors, and you can complete your Pro Audio configuration to the standard set by the developers. So on this note, I will stop the video here. See you in the next video with something else. Bye bye.